Most cars in your garage didn't age out. They were destroyed by everyday habits and misleading advice. Those low-maintenance factory schedules, they're engineered to move inventory, not keep your engine alive for the long run. That's why some cars die at 100,000 miles while others cruise past 500,000 without breaking a sweat. In this video, I reveal how to make your Japanese car last 500,000 miles without any major repairs. If you want your car to outlast expectations and outdrive the odds, buckle up. What you're to learn could add years to your ride. Tip number 13, follow the 5K oil rule without excuses. Oil isn't just fluid, it's your engine's survival system, and right around 5,000 miles, that protection starts to fall apart. Heat cooks it, moisture sneaks in, microscopic metal shavings turn it into a slow grinding paste. That's when the trouble begins. Sludge builds, flow weakens, parts lose their shield, timing chains stretch, and VVT systems start acting up. Wear doesn't creep in, it accelerates. Those 10,000-mile factory intervals are great for marketing, but terrible for longevity. Engines don't read brochures, they respond to clean, consistent lubrication. Synthetic oil is the top choice for modern engines because it handles extreme heat and stress like a pro. Older engines, conventional oil still works fine, but the rule doesn't change, 5,000 every time. And don't fall for the "I barely drive" excuse. Oil degrades even when you don't. Time, moisture, and temperature swings quietly break it down. If you want to play it safe, change it early. The real damage comes from waiting too long, not acting too soon. Tip number 12, swap your filters when you change oil. Your engine can only perform as well as it breathes. And by 5,000 miles, those filters are gasping. Air filters trap dust, pollen, sand, bugs, basically everything the road hurls at your intake. Let them clog up and your engine starts struggling. Power drops, fuel economy dips, sensors get confused. Even combustion turns sloppy. Skipping a fresh air filter is like running a marathon with a blocked nose. It's cheap to replace, but it protects a machine worth thousands. Clean air means a stronger burn, smoother idle, sharper throttle response, and less carbon buildup sneaking in over time. Fuel filters deserve equal attention. They block rust and contaminants before they reach your injectors. Left unchecked, those particles can cause serious damage, and injector repairs are anything but cheap. A simple inspection goes a long way. Tip number 11, reset the coolant clock. Every 1 to 2 years, engines run hot, and coolant is the quiet hero keeping everything from melting down. But don't let that bright fluid fool you. It doesn't last forever. Over time, coolant breaks down, turns acidic, and starts attacking the very parts it's meant to protect. Corrosion creeps in, seals weaken, heater cores clog. Push it too far, and you're staring at overheating, leaks, or a blown head gasket with a brutal repair bill. The danger is subtle. Levels can look perfect while the chemistry is already failing. Around the 1-year mark, many vehicles begin showing early signs of breakdown, even low-mileage ones. 2 years is the outer limit. Beyond that, you're gambling with expensive damage. A full system flush every year keeps everything clean, stable, and working like it should. Always stick to the correct coolant type. Mixing formulas can trigger reactions that reduce protection and speed up wear. Tip number 10, inspect and check belt before damage. The timing belt runs the show behind the scenes, syncing the camshaft, driving key components, and keeping your engine firing in perfect rhythm. But here's the catch. It doesn't fail loudly. It wears down quietly. Heat, tension, and age slowly eat away at it long before that 100,000-mile mark in the manual. The warning signs are subtle but deadly. Tiny cracks in the teeth, fraying edges, missing chunks. Even when it looks okay, the rubber can turn brittle and snap without notice. No warning lights, no second chances. Play it smart. Replace it between 60,000 and 80,000 miles. And don't cut corners. Tensioners and idler pulleys wear out too, and skipping them can ruin a brand new belt fast. This isn't just maintenance, it's insurance. A failed timing belt can wreck pistons, bend valves, and turn your engine into scrap in seconds. A proactive swap keeps everything in sync and saves you from a catastrophic, wallet-draining surprise. Tip number 9, flush brake fluid. Every time you press the pedal, this liquid transfers force into stopping power. Over time, it quietly absorbs moisture from the air. That small change triggers a big problem. Water lowers the fluid's boiling point, and under repeated braking, heat builds fast. Instead of staying stable, the fluid can start to vaporize. That's when the pedal turns soft and response becomes unpredictable. What makes it worse is how invisible the problem is. The reservoir can look perfectly fine while performance is already slipping. No dashboard alert steps in to save you here. The only real way to know is by testing it, or better yet, staying ahead of it. A full flush every 2 to 3 years keeps the system sharp and reliable. Using the correct fluid type is just as critical, since the wrong mix can damage seals and reduce efficiency over time. Fresh brake fluid restores confidence. It keeps every stop crisp, controlled, and consistent, exactly how braking should feel. Tip number 8. Clean the MAF sensor. This is the unsung gatekeeper of airflow. Dirty it up and everything goes off kilter. Air and fuel stop dancing in sync. The engine hesitates. Idle jitters. MPG takes a nosedive. Fortunately, fixing it is easy, cheap, and makes a world of difference. Every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, or roughly twice a year for regular drivers, pull the sensor out. Spray it with a dedicated MAF cleaner like CRC Mass Airflow Sensor Cleaner. Be gentle. Those tiny wires inside are delicate. Let it air dry completely, then reinstall. That's all it takes to put airflow, combustion, and efficiency back in control. Ignoring it turns minor hiccups into major headaches. Hesitation stresses spark plugs and injectors. A poor fuel mix fouls the catalytic converter. Small airflow issues snowball into sluggish performance and wasted gas. A clean MAF sensor keeps throttle response snappy, idle steady, and fuel economy humming. For about $10, you prevent problems that could otherwise cost hundreds or even over 1,000 to fix. Tip number 7. Practice correct idling. Forget the old advice about letting your car idle 5 to 10 minutes. It's a trap. Long idling quietly harms your engine. At low revs, oil pressure drops, starving top-end components. Valves, camshafts, and pistons endure silent abuse. Carbon begins building on intake valves, pistons, and cylinder heads. That black flaky gunk you see on spark plugs, its efficiency and power disappearing right before your eyes. Idling also thins oil on cylinder walls, increasing wear, and burns fuel for nothing. It's a slow, expensive trickle of damage. The smarter approach, 45 to 60 seconds, is all you need. Roll your windows, buckle up, adjust mirrors. Your engine is already warming up. Watch the blue temperature gauge creep toward normal as you prep to drive. Hit the road gently. Let the engine reach full temperature under load. This keeps combustion clean, oil protective, and cylinders happy. Short, smart idling saves fuel, prevents buildup, and keeps your engine running strong. Tip number 6. Respect the red line. Engines are warriors, built to endure, but even warriors have limits. That red line on your tachometer isn't decoration, it's a strict warning. Constantly chasing it punishes pistons, valves, bearings, and rods, accelerating wear and inviting catastrophic failure. Short bursts near the red line are fine, merging onto the highway or enjoying an open stretch, but making it a habit is a fast track to trouble. Heat spikes, oil struggles, and the cooling system gets overloaded. Your engine is screaming for mercy long before you feel it. The secret is balance. Shift early, accelerate smoothly, and keep revs in a healthy zone. Pay attention to traction, road conditions, and your own reflexes. Pushing limits may feel thrilling, but it's the slow erosion of longevity and peace of mind. Stick to controlled revs, and your engine rewards you with reliability, smoother performance, and fewer expensive surprises. Treat the red line as a boundary, not a challenge. It's your engine's invisible safety net. Tip number 5. Wash the undercarriage regularly. Dirt, mud, and road salt love to hide where you can't see, slowly waging war on your frame, brake lines, fuel lines, and suspension. Rust doesn't announce itself. It creeps silently, and by the time you notice, repairs can cost a fortune. Smart drivers treat their undercarriage to a deep clean at least once a month. If that feels excessive, every 3 months is the minimum. Winter demands extra attention. Salt accelerates corrosion, and trapped mud or grime holds moisture, speeding decay. A proper wash goes beyond aesthetics. High-pressure sprays reach the hidden corners where corrosion starts. Wheel wells, control arms, chassis nooks, anywhere grime loves to settle. These areas are the first to fail if neglected. By keeping the underside clean, you protect the very parts that hold your car together. Tip number 4. Replace the PCV valve. The PCV valve may be small, but it's a powerhouse for engine health. It redirects crankcase gases back into the intake, preventing sludge, controlling pressure, and keeping combustion smooth. When it fails, trouble sneaks in quietly, but fast. A clogged or faulty PCV wreaks havoc. Oil leaks appear. Idle gets rough. Engine noise rises, misfires pop up, and fuel economy can drop 5 to 7 miles per gallon. The check engine light might flash, but even before that, tiny issues snowball into costly repairs. Ignoring it is a shortcut to bigger engine headaches. Testing is simple. Shake the valve. It should rattle freely. No rattle means it's gummed up. Some engines add a vacuum hose test. Cover the open end while running and feel for firm suction. Weak or none, blocked. Cleaning is an option, but often it's faster and safer to replace it. A new PCV is cheap, easy to install, and instantly restores airflow, performance, and efficiency. Tip number 3, maintain battery. Without it, nothing starts. Yet most drivers ignore the simplest maintenance, letting corrosion quietly steal performance. That white or green powder on terminals? It's a red flag. Corrosion blocks electricity, making your alternator work overtime, and an overstressed alternator wears out fast. Before long, your car struggles to start, leaving you stranded. Check your battery every 3 months, inspect terminals and cable connections. If you spot corrosion, clean it immediately. A simple mix of baking soda and water neutralizes acids. Scrub gently, let it dry, and coat terminals with dielectric grease. This keeps the current flowing smoothly and protects against future buildup. Pay attention to early warning signs: slow cranking, dim lights, flickering dashboard indicators. Keep the charge above 50%. A healthy battery rests around 12.4 to 12.7 volts. Watch for parasitic drains from electronics drawing power while your car sleeps. Small, consistent battery care saves big headaches, ensures reliable starts, and keeps every electrical system firing on all cylinders. Don't wait for a dead battery to remind you. Tip number 2, stop cheaping on parts. That $10 spark plug or bargain brake pad might look like a win today, but it often costs hundreds, even thousands, tomorrow. Low-quality parts wear faster, fail sooner, and can wreck surrounding components. One cheap belt or pad can trigger a $1,000 repair down the line. If a repair is urgent but you can't afford the right part immediately, don't improvise. Parking the car and waiting for a proper fix beats risky, instant solutions from back alley suppliers. Those shortcuts almost always backfire. The smarter move? Invest in quality parts from the start. Pair them with reliable insurance or roadside coverage so you're never left stranded. High-quality components protect your car, save money long-term, and keep performance consistent. Remember, your car is only as strong as the parts inside. Skimping here is false economy. Spend wisely, drive confidently, and let your engine thrive instead of survive. Quality isn't expensive, it's priceless protection. Tip number 1, desist from unnecessary mods. Modifications can be exciting. More power, sharper handling, or a sleek look. But careless upgrades can wreck your car faster than you realize. Every change interacts with the vehicle's systems. High-powered electronics without proper fuses can fry circuits or drain the battery. Haphazard suspension or turbo tweaks put stress on the engine, transmission, and chassis. Small mistakes multiply into expensive repairs. It's not about avoiding fun, it's about respecting limits. Cars are engineered for specific loads and stresses. Overloading them with mismatched aftermarket parts can shorten lifespan, void warranties, and create safety hazards. The key is thoughtful upgrades that complement the original design. Quality intake filters, professional ECU tuning, and cooling enhancements boost performance safely. Random bolt-ons, overpowering electronics, or flashy additions compromise reliability and durability. These 13 tips are your roadmap to a car that could hit 500,000 miles. Start smart, stay consistent, and keep your investment bulletproof. Ready to level up? Dive into our next video for must-know maintenance hacks that could save you thousands and keep your ride running like new for years.